Okay, thank you guys for your patience. So, okay, so welcome to 11th grade portfolios and Mr. Paul's advisory. Alex Deng is going to present today, and we're going to listen and we're going to write down some notes about what he tells us and how he does in his presentation. And then after, he will go outside for 2 minutes and write down some notes for yourself about how did you do on the presentation. Then you will come back inside and we will tell you about our notes for you, what you did well, what you think we can do better. Okay, so let's give your attention to Alex and you can begin.
Hello, my name is Alex. This is my portfolio presentation English. My topic is the attention of Matthias. In the interest of the murders reviews, I have communication with my teammate, and I have trying to grammar to explain this story mean. The one idea I learn more about in this universe. I learn more about in this universe communications. This mean is in the team study in picture of matter. We want to find the same idea, so we need to communications. If we without the communications, we can't do anything. Learning more about this impact me because let me know communications is very important in my team and my life. Communication can fix the problem. For example, I remember the one time I have homework, but I just working myself. I working myself, but the time is over. I can't finish. When the next time I'm studying with the group, we are talking together. We try to find the same answer when we can finish on the time. The other idea I have learned more about in this universe. I learned more about in this universe the assimilations. This mean assimilation means it can let you good. Because I think if for example for me, I'm from China, but right now I'm live in America. When in here I need say a lot of English in here. We need to try to eat the American food, to change my style and change my house, everything. I need to change is different in China. So when these are simulations, but in here in a long time, I'm speak English more and more. When as English will be good in here. So I think communications can. So I guess communications can let you good. The one idea I learned more about in this unit was making connection between story and our life. This means is study the truth in the story can improve myself. For example, in a long time ago, have a woman, he want to try to find the diamond in the hill. When he fight to the 9 day when he feel it's so difficult and he's so boring, so he way out. But the other man is sent to fight the diamond. When he fight the 9 day, he feel difficult and he feel boring too. But he don't way out when in the 10 day he fight the diamond. So this story is tell me when you have something, so don't be way out. The one idea I learned more about in this unit was speak with two to check our idea and writing. This means the tutor will try to help you how to do the writing essay. Learn more about this impressed me because talking more communication can train our language. If you want study any language, more communications will be good training in the communications. The tool will check your idea and your writing. If you have some idea, you will talking in the tool. More and more your English and your writing and your grammar will be better. One idea I learned more about in this unit was preaching grammar, spell and punctuation by acting and reading our essay. This means is let you grammar more and more better and help you writing to the essay. Learning more about this impressed me because can let me grammar more and more better. Writing and the writing can train our grammar. Grammar is important in the language because if you want to study the language, we need to study grammar first. This is important because more communication and can train my English and let me more faster communication in the school. Question.
Okay, thank you. Now it's time for some questions. I will give you students some examples of questions to look at, some from the pink papers. So here are some questions that we can ask. If everyone can ask a question. You can ask your own question about something that Alex said, or we can ask one of the questions in here about interpreter of maladies. Let me get that out.
Hello. There are questions. So how did the tutor from the A26 Wellington help you?
The tutor will help me to how to do the writing and give me some idea to try to write the best essay in the class. Any questions?
Let's hear a question from everyone, please.
Everyone.
grammar or spelling or punctuation problem patterns were common in your writing?
I try to write down the grammar is the uh, I'm done. Sorry.
So,
Next question, Shirley, can you ask a question?
What are 2 or 3 different stations where you could use quotation marker?
Quotation mark.
Quotation mark.
Where?
Last one.
I guess it's the communications and communication. These two part I need to question mark because I guess these two main is very important for my presentations.
I have one more question for you. You talked about assimilating. And you talked about how you've assimilated here in the United States when you just came from China.
Mm-hmm.
Now that you talk about it, do you think in the future you need to assimilate more, or do you think that you're good enough?
Just again.
So you talked about assimilation. How much do you think have you assimilated from way back then to now?
To way back.
Like to when your first day in America? How much?
I remember our first day I come to America is so hard because I remember I just can say two English. For example, it's like yes, no. So when I'm so scared because this is not my city, it's not my country. I don't know who is that, and have a lot of the tall guys and the strong guys. So I feel dangerous. But more and more live in here, so I guess maybe it's the school can let me more and more assimilations in here.
Gonzalo?
When you are doing a reading guide and you are waiting for other people in your group to finish writing, what useful things can you do?
I guess I will give him some idea to how to do it in her essay.
How did you create these statements for your essay?
Where?
how did you create a team statement or an essay?
Create is the I need to show you the what I'm study in the class with the more important the two word, and when is the follow to this paper to keep writing.
Okay, that's all the time we have. Thank you. Thank you guys. So